Let's see what happened during lunch. Took out sell side, morning lows during the lunch hour. So my thought process right now is we have a lot of buy side that hasn't been tagged yet. If you think about it, sell side here, okay, really all these lows taken out during lunch. So long traders taken out. Now who's been making money all day? Shorts ever since we opened at 9:30. This high here, this high here, this high. We just had buy side being trailed down. We really haven't ran any buy stops. This high, this high, this high. So they're just trailing their stop losses down here, here, here. So now as we're entering that PM session, I want to see if we can get a setup and target some of that buy side. There's some energy that I like to see. Come on, Nasdaq, give us some excitement. There we go. All right, so this fair value gap here that's about to form in about 5 seconds, I want to see that stay open. A lot of momentum, a lot of speed, a lot of strength. I don't want to see us come all the way back down here. Looking at this up close candle as a bullish breaker. See if I can get a feel. Stop loss is below consequent encroachment of the breakaway gap. All right, now I'm looking at this up close candle as the breaker. We had this larger fractal here, low, high, lower low. So now I'm looking at this. So I'm gonna cancel this buy limit. Don't want to see that fair value gap traded to. And this is what I'm looking at. Stop loss is below consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. Since we have the breaker resting above it, I would like to see that stay open. Lunch high is up here. These highs are way too smooth. Relative equal, buy side. It's a little too clean in my opinion, so I'm gonna see if I could target that. Now if we can displace above this down close candle, I'll move my stop to break even because it'll be below this down close candle, and I'll try to treat that like a bullish order block. But I want to see us get a strong close above it. We'll take off this new week opening gap. I don't like having my charts that clustered. I'll take off that 130 price level too. Two-minute chart, this fair value gap's a little cleaner, so I'll be watching that. First trade of the week. Coming in Tuesday PM session. We also have a small fair value gap here, this lower one right here, volume imbalance. So it's fine if we trade into all of that. It's all inside that breaker that we outlined on the 1 minute chart. But this fair value gap here, treating that as a breakaway gap, I don't want to see us trade into that, because if you think about it, on the 1 minute chart, we have this breaker here. In order to trade down to these lower fair value gaps, we have to completely trade to the bottom of the breaker, which is not what you like to see. So that's why my stop is here. All right, let's see what's happening on the 1 minute. It's hanging around at the high of that breaker. Looking at the Dow, pressing in again into all-time highs. S&P 5 minute chart just dropped down into a discount fair value gap. Euro dollar looking bullish. Gold retracing a little bit, but it's trading into a, 15-minute bullish order block. So once we clear this high, or if we clear this high, I'll take off my risk. I want to see a lot of speed. I want to see us blast through that because we left equal highs up here. So once we engage this buy side, it'll be a risk-free trade, and we're holding out for lunch highs, which is up here, this swing high. But I'm going to go ahead and target this because it's just way too clean, if we can get that. see if I can manage this a little tighter. I'm gonna be a little aggressive with my stop today. Don't try this at home, kids. I'm looking at this down close candle. My stop is right about mean threshold of that down close candle. Considering the price action we've been getting today, I'm going to be a little bit more demanding of price action. And if I get stopped out of break even, it's okay. But I'm going to be a little bit tighter on my risk. Just adapting to the market environment that we're in. So right there, engaging that buy side, I want to see speed. I'm observing how fast we blow through that. Now what I don't want to see is us take out buy side and retrace all the way down to the breaker. You want to see, well, exactly what we're getting right here. Get ready to close this on my personal account. What was that? 2577. What was it? 2577.75. So now if we form a fair value gap right here, treating that as a breakaway gap, I want to see that lower half stay open, preferably the whole fair value gap stay open until we reach our buy side objective. So now with that in mind, I'll feel comfortable trailing my stop loss underneath this candle. If I can, what's this low? 539.25. 539.25. So stop loss is underneath this candle. And if this trade pans out, this will be my only trade for the week, because I'll already meet my 3% objective on my personal account, assuming this hits take profit. But I'll still paper trade the rest of the week. Looking at Nasdaq, S&P really exploded up there. S&P showing strong displacement on the 5-minute. Dow and gold reacting off of that 15-minute bullish order block. Euro USD really working higher as well, so everything's looking bullish, which is good. Let's look at the dollar. Dollar really looking heavy. So that's the ideal market condition that I like to trade in. It's looking good. Finally got some movement. For a second, it was looking like the PM session was going to be one of those days. Come on, you dirty girl. You know you want to get up there. Stop playing with me. Thank you. Just like we drew it up. Good stuff. Good stuff. I'm actually still in the trade on my personal account, which is crazy. I didn't get that exit, so I'm gonna wait. Good trades nonetheless. I'm gonna log into my personal account. So 1 second. All right. So this is my personal account. I didn't get the exit yet. I didn't get filled. So we're gonna watch this. My stop loss is under mean threshold of this down close candle. And then again, looking for buy side up here. All right, so I locked in about $200 in profit. And there we go. There we go. So 274, that's 2.7% of my overall account. I'm gonna take that 2.7% on the week. I'm gonna call it a week there, but we'll still paper trade the rest of the week. I'm cashing out. Let's go. That was pretty cool. We logging off of this, man. I really didn't want to trade that final hour, so I'm glad we caught it set up. As soon as we got this displacement, it was looking good. So appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Hopefully y'all made some money today. We're back at it, paper trading the rest of the week, starting tomorrow at 9:30. Love y'all. See you tomorrow, 9:30. Peace.